Good morning. I hope you're all doing okay. It's very cold down here. That's why I'm wearing a headscarf like this. I was feeling a lot of cold in my ears, but I have a number of chores to do here in my home today. It's been raining heavily. I have a lot of cleaning to do because the grass grows very fast and we have to keep cutting. So we have grass heaped all over the compound. And if it stays like that, with all the water we're having, it's gonna stink. So I'll be collecting all the grass that have been heaped in the compound. I also have trees that I've been collecting but haven't planted, and I just found a spot for one of the trees, which is the thuya tree. I want to plant it here. I have flowers here. That is the hydrangeas which just flowered. This is its first flower. I'm really looking forward to many more flowers. There's also this one that produces yellow flowers, and then we have the fan over there. So I think having it here is going to be a good idea, an evergreen between the yellow and pink flowers. I've also not been here in a while, and the garden is looking beautiful. There's a lot of harvests to make today, and there's also lots of eggs to collect today. So let's start by planting the thuya. It's really muddy and quite hard to dig because the soil here is sticky. I think we can also thin this out. This one grows so wild. So at least this one is now visible. Wow. So that's how it looks there. It is taking over the garden. So the thing about this is it drops its seeds a lot and it just goes wild. I've cleared all that was overgrowing under the traveler's palm, and now it looks really beautiful. All I have to do is add a flower around here, something of a different color. still raining a lot. So these are the heaps of grass that were cut that I'm talking about, and I'm just gonna collect them. We're gonna heap them somewhere and they will serve as compost. This here is the newest flower in the garden. Somebody asked me about the name. I'm just gonna Google and let you know the name of this flower. I really love the blue blend with the evergreens and the pink. It's just amazing. This is the border I built the other day. I actually came back and finished it and it looks really nice. That's what we have. The watermelons are fruiting again. I'm so excited. The first ones all got rotten at some point when they were just about to be ready. I don't know what happened. I'm just hoping these ones will be okay. The vegetable I'm harvesting today is called slender leaf, or mto in my language. It is a very bitter vegetable. It's more of a herb than a vegetable. And it's said to be medicinal, especially for tummy issues. It is quite bitter, so we normally mix it with other vegetables just to tone down the bitterness. We also add some milk to it and it is just delicious. Do you remember the ghee I made the other day? It also goes very well with ghee. Something I've noticed is cucumbers don't do very well in swampy areas. You remember the ones I planted at my mom's place? I harvested a lot of cucumbers, but this time I'm not getting so much. But I'm still glad there is always something to carry home, even if it's just one. I also like to check on my banana fruits every time I'm here because sometimes they go ripe on the tree and the birds just feast on them, leaving me with nothing. So I've made it a routine to just check in case there's one that is ready so I can harvest before it goes ripe. I don't know the name of this bird, but I'm just having fun watching it hunt. That looks like a frog. It's been standing there for a very long time. I'm also harvesting my first pawpaw today. It is yellowing, showing that it's ripe. We had hailstorms, that's why you see all these marks. I'm just hoping it's not rotten inside. There's lots more. Looks like this is one of those trees that really puts lots of fruits. I'm honestly very excited about this. So this is all that I have harvested today. I've got plenty of the slender leaf vegetables. I'm just gonna pack them into bags and carry them home. I also share my eggs with my farmhand. He now has a wife. They all live here. So I just carry what they leave for me. And these are all the eggs that I've got today. Still a good number. I'm not complaining. I also got one cucumber and one pawpaw. I got really tired, so I wasn't able to harvest the chilies. So we will be harvesting them in our next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next. Bye-bye.